So it's going to be a quick update video for the Gearwrench 84-piece Torx socket set. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, I did a previous unboxing for this. Just some updated information. I stopped at my Napa dealer, spoke to my dealer, stopped at his shop because he was about ready to leave, and or the store, and he told me that he can warranty these out, but it's gonna take a few weeks to get them. So he said in my best interest it might just be easier to contact Gearwrench because of the issue of missing one, getting two of the same, and a couple of the Allens are bent. And he said that they'll more than likely just send me replacements instead of requesting the originals back. So and I also spoke to him, find out how much this kit he sells it for. My Napa rep Gus told me that he sells this kit for $156. I saw it on the computer, so he's like, you got it for a heck of a deal, for $89.99. So just quick little update. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.